Welcome to Chessington World of Adventures and welcome to the world of Jumanji. Thank you for joining us here on UK Theme Parks. You're watching the construction for the 2023 area and brand new Wing Coaster, which is coming to the park. So since we last come, it's been a couple of weeks. We've been waiting for sort of some activity to happen, and we know there is some bits going on. There's a lot of work going on at the station area. That seems to be the focal point of attention, including a new support, a new footer support being put in the station, as well as some more decor around it, including some hands which have been put in. And I'll tell you what, I've done some research on the hands. I can't find for love nor money exactly what they mean, but they've been put in addition as well to the jewel being installed in the Jaguar, and the detail on the Jaguar is already looking incredible this early stage. So I'll stop talking now, let's show you some shots, and then of course we'll summarise what we can see afterwards. So the same supports are still in here, however there's a lot of work over at the station, including some hands. Painting has started on the back end of the structure. Yes, the world of Jumanji is getting close and close and closer. Can't wait, genuinely can't wait here at Chessington World of Adventures. So we've seen a lot of work undergoing on the station, a lot of work undergoing on the sculpture. We know there's more supports. We're not going to go and have a look at the supports again. But we know there are more supports here ready to be erected over the next couple of weeks. It's not going to be long now. I'm hoping we catch it before the end of the season. That was the plan, and indeed track can't be far behind due in October. But thank you for joining us here on UK Theme Parks. Are you following this? Have you enjoyed our updates? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you next time.